few days. Today you take rest and I will go out to see if we can get any nuts or anything else.
Dad, I'm tired. I can go and accompany you.
Dear, don't go alone. Take one of them to accompany you. Don't worry, children. I will be back soon. Today you take rest and care of your grandparents. I will return soon with good news.
He climbed towards the three plugged tunnels and drove them into boat. Alas, everyone missed the boat until the last one remained. This he aimed even more carefully, but it also fell into water. He had not tested even now all were gone. Anansi could not bear the thought of going home empty-handed, so he jumped into the water. To his astonishment, instead of being drowned, he found himself standing on the surf in front of a little cottage.
Oh, I remember. I jumped into the water. But I end up landing in here. Oh, so they have a cottage here. Hello? Is anyone out here?
There. I think someone at the door. I'm busy now. Will you go out and check?
Okay, let me go out and see. Hello. How did you end up landing in here? What do you want so badly that you come to Tanda Cottage?
Anansi told him his sad story. Thunder was most sympathetic. He went into the cottage and brought a cooking pot. He presented it to Anansi.
Here I got this pot for you. It is a magic pot. It will always supply enough food for you and your family.
Thank you so much. I am so grateful.
Okay, go now your way.
I cannot wait to taste the pot. Pot, what you used to do for your master, do for me now. Wow, what a delicious meal.
Immediately, run home and give all his family a good meal, but a selfish greedy stopped him. Anansi reached home pretending to be tired and hungry, but
What if I should use all the magic of the pot on them and nothing more life for myself? I had keep better the pot a secret so that I can enjoy a good meal whenever.